Hello friends, this is Christmas Angel collaboration. Our host is Design with Aria, One Way Designs 238, Lolita's Creations, and the co-host is Six Kids and a Glue Gun. Please check out their channels in my description box and the playlist. And I'm also going to link the playlist in the comment section. Please follow the playlist to find more fun angel DIYs. Today I will be making 3 different easy angel Christmas ornaments. Okay, here's our angel. I did these before and I used Spanish moss as the hair, and I think it actually turned out better and it was easier to put on. I just snapped the top off. This will be our wings. You have to figure out how big you want your wingspan. I think that's good. Then you just this is cold temperature glue. I'm going to put that to the back. I'm going to pleat the ribbon. And I had string that I was going to use, a silver string, and I can't find it. So I'm going to just use an old trusty pipe cleaner. And that's just to hold the ribbon in a pleat. I'm going to turn it in. And this is where you find out, you got to find her best side. Okay. I think this is her best side. So I'll add glue here. And that's her wings. And I'm going to add a little flower gem right here. That'll cover up some of that glue. Okay, and now we're going to give her some hair. Okay, I did about 4 pieces of hair, and now I'm going to just trim her bangs. So it's not down in her face. Even though she's not going to have eyes, I'm going to make sure her hair's a little more ruly. And now I'm going to take this. Guess I could do this. Let's make her a halo. I don't like that. I think I'll do this. It's more solid. Okay, here's our angel. I did these before and I used Spanish moss as the hair, And I think it actually turned out better and it was easier to put on. Okay, do you know what this is? This is a Birdie. They use them to play badminton, and you can buy them at the Dollar Tree. I think they're in a pack of 5. And I've already jumped ahead. I've painted the top of it white. Take a guess what I'm going to be making here. Oh, and I also put some glitter in on the white paint. I'm taking some clear Krylon, or you could do Mod Podge, either one. It's whatever you have on hand right there. I had that right on the table, so that's what I used. And now I'm taking some silver glitter and sprinkling the bottom. Does anybody have any idea what in the world I'm making right here? This is kind of questionable at this point. If you know, let me know in the comments. And now I'm going to push this back and set this aside and let that dry a little bit. And I'm going to grab my ribbon and I'm going to make a bow. Yeah, I'm going to make a bow out of some silver ribbon, just a simple bow, and tie it off with a little bit of other ribbon. See, I'm gluing it around in a circle. Be careful not to burn yourself. That's really hot. That's a really hot glue gun if you ever get a Roby glue gun. Okay. Now I'm taking the Roby glue gun and adding a little glue to the center, and I'm pressing it on the back. Yep, if you haven't guessed, I'm making an angel out of a Birdie from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm just adding a hanger and tying it to the bottom, and that is our angel ornament for the Christmas tree. Just as simple as that. Very inexpensive, very simple. Of course, getting the string on the ornament, I knocked the wings off, so I have to go back and re-glue those. They just don't want to stay in there. Just tie a knot. That'll be the string to hang it on our tree. Yeah, let's try this again. I didn't like how that's turning out, so let's do it a different way.